Hey guys, Angela from MPH, and today I am digging up my potatoes. I'll show you what I've gotten so far. See if you can see. Goes all the way down to the end of the row. I thought I would let you see exactly what I do. So these, when you first plant them, they get covered with a bunch of mulch, and that's to keep the sun off the potatoes when they grow and they break the ground. Let me turn you just a little. There we go. So, and these are still a little bit green, but I'm going to pull them anyway because I've already harvested the rest of this row. And yeah, so we're just going to pull them all out because I want the row to be finished. But ideally, you would let these die back till they're all yellow. I mean, you can pick them sooner, but you're just going to have smaller potatoes because they're still growing at this point. So you take the plant, right? Grab it down where it reaches, where it meets the earth, and you pull it up gently. I take all these little potatoes, you know, the ones they charge you a lot in the store for, and they call them new baby potatoes. Yeah, those are all the potatoes that they pulled that they weren't big enough to sell them as baking potatoes, so they sell them as new potatoes. Let's see. Oh, here we go. See, I try and find the edge of where the plant is growing its potatoes. And then grab a pitchfork and gently kind of loosen it, and you'll see. Then I dig through it, make sure there's no more little ones there. And then on the edge of where I just did that, go straight down because there's potatoes right next to it that I see. Here's a nice sized baking potato. Got quite a few of these. Very happy. You know, and the ones that are too small to be baking potatoes, you can boil them with their skins on. You know, scrub them a little, boil them with their skins on, serve them with a little bit of butter, and dill works really nice with them. Or, you know, season them, a little bit of oil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and throw them in the oven and roast them. That's delicious too. Let's see if we've got any more here. Nope. And I've been finding that these spread beyond where I thought they would. But anyway, that's basically it. And now what I'm going to do with all these potatoes is take them into my garage and put them on shelves and let them cure. Basically, you gotta, especially with the bakers, you know, you can't really scrub the skins until their skins have hardened. So you gotta leave them in there for a couple of weeks to dry out and get that nice hard skin. And then they're wonderful to use. I mean, if you're gonna peel them anyway, go ahead and, you know, use them right away. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability. Have a great day.